I am a money magnet, and my income is constantly increasing. I'm aligned with the energy of abundance and success. I am open to receiving money from known and unknown sources. I am grateful for the financial prosperity that is flowing to me. I am a magnet for financial well-being and prosperity. I'm attracting wealth and success in all areas of my life. I am a vessel of abundance, and it overflows into every aspect of my life. I am worthy of the highest levels of financial success and happiness. I am confident in my ability to create unlimited wealth. I am a magnet for financial opportunities, and I attract them effortlessly. I am open to the infinite possibilities of wealth and success. I am aligned with the energy of prosperity and financial abundance. I am financially empowered, and I make wise financial decisions. I am attracting wealth with every positive thought and action. I am open to receiving wealth from expected and unexpected sources. I am a magnet for financial miracles, and they happen daily. I am grateful for the abundance of money and opportunities in my life. I'm in control of my financial destiny. I'm attracting wealth effortlessly and joyfully. I am worthy of all the richness and success life has to offer. I am open to the flow of money and abundance in my life. I am a magnet for financial success, and I welcome it with open arms. I am manifesting wealth and success in every area of my life.